masayang binahagi ni Jelly de Belen sa kanyang social media kung saan, ay sobrang na-surprise ang kanyang mga anak nang makita siya, at makikita din kung gaano nila kamiss ang isa't isa. Sa naging caption nga ni Jelly sa kanyang post ay sinabi nito na, Julio is turning 25 in a few days, and I decided to surprise him and Wakwi, so we can celebrate his birthday together. Narito ang nangyari. They both watched the World Series with their friends kaya hindi sila magkasama kaya magkahiwalay ang videos ng surprise. Sinabihan si Julio na kumuha siya ng tinapay sa bahay ng aking sis-in-law para maiuwi sa kanyang lola. Hindi kami makauwi mula sa airport dahil wala kaming susi dahil nasa labas ang mga lalaki. Kaya ang pagkuha sa akin ni Julio ay ang pinakamagandang opsyon.
Hi, Julio.
What?
That's the bread.
Oh, okay. Gee, was there bread? Was there even bread? No bread. Oh my god.
Yeah, there's no bread. We need oil.
I was like, oh, is that the bread? It's like, okay. Oh my god.
Hi, Julio.
What?
That's the bread. That's the bread. Hi.
Mom?
What's going on, di ba? What's going on, ma? Anyway, hanapin. You want to give me a kiss and a hug? You're so cold. Why are you so cold?